It's okay, Kim.
A walk.
Your phone. Catastrophe of the highest order. Moisturiser is mainly water.
If dolphins can swim for miles, so can we.
We can't moisturise ever again.
We could swim all the way to Fiji. Could you imagine that?
Our skin will be dry and wrinkly. We'll be geriatrics by the time we're 21.
I missed training today. First time in 6 years.
See? See how bad this is? We have to tell somebody, our parents, a doctor, the police.
And end up a mermaid in a straitjacket with moisturised skin? Forget it.
Ricky's right, Cleo. We can't tell anyone.
Not even Mum?
No. No parents.
But I tell Mum everything.
Well, not this time. It's too dangerous. People just won't understand. We could be locked up.
Why would we be locked up?
Because we're different. Because we can do things that other girls can't do. Because they're scared of us.
Fine. I won't tell anyone. Except Lewis.
No, Cleo. Not Lewis. Not anyone.
Okay. Don't worry. I'm really good at keeping secrets.
Now it's party time, people. No excuses. In honour of our very own surfing god, the beautiful Byron, for winning his special prize.
What prize?
Whatever it is they give out for surfing.
The Coast Surf Classic. He won by a mile.
I was having a spray tan, but I'm sure he was amazing. Ricky, I'm sure I might have a blank.
Sorry, I'll be flossing my teeth right now.
Hey, Cleo.
Oh, hi, Lewis. Nothing much has been happening with me. Nothing much at all. Just the same old thing.
Cleo, are you going to Miriam's party?
Of course I'm going.
Oh.
Now, don't forget, girls, bring your best bikinis. It's a pool party.
Right. Well, seeing as you're going...
I've changed my mind. I'm not going. It's so uncool to miss one of Miriam's parties. She won't ask us ever again.
So, that's a plus.
It's a pool party. I know it's dangerous, but maybe if I told Lewis about us, he could look out for us.
No, you did the right thing, Cleo. None of us are going.
No, wait. I think we should go. For Byron, not for Miriam. Surfing's just like swimming. It takes a lot of hard work and training. You need to know everyone's supporting you. You like Byron, don't you? No way.
Well, you sound like an ad for breakfast cereal.
Well, if we learn more about what's happening to us, we might be able to control it enough to go to the party.
Really?
What's to learn? We touch water, and 10 seconds later we grow tails.
Maybe it's about developing some discipline, exercising some control.
That'd be perfect. That's great. Control. Then we can go to the party. I'll text Lewis.
You do realise you're gonna have to swim to test this theory.
What? No way. Forget it.
Come on! It's not even deep here.
No.
Please, Cleo.
No. No.
Fine.
Come on, Ricky.
Control and discipline start with the mind, so concentrate. No tail, no tail, no tail, no tail, no tail, no tail.
Who leaked the information? This is my secret, highly classified fishing spot. Someone must have blabbed.
Sorry.
It's fine. Hey, I got your message about going to the party.
Oh. Yeah, that was an old message. I'm not going anymore. Too much homework.
Fine. Well, I might just join you all for a swim then.
We're naked, Lewis.
Just a quick dip then.
Goodbye, Lewis.
The offer was there.
We're never going to be invited anywhere cool ever again. And why? Because we've got tails.
My swimming career is over.
I just have one question. Why me? I didn't ask for any of this to happen.
You think you've got problems? I've been training to be a swimmer since I was 6 months old.
Well, say goodbye to that dream because we're mer freaks now.
You two are unbelievable. Look at yourselves. You're drinking water from mid-air. And Emma, you just made an instant icy pole. Anybody else would love to be able to do that. You've both got these amazing powers, and all you do is whinge, whinge, whinge. I don't even have a power. Do you hear me complaining? No. Well, I've had enough. I don't want to hang around with whinges.
I know how she feels. Sometimes I don't even want to hang around with me. Lewis, what do you think of Ricky?
You know those stonefish that kind of look like a rock? You could shoot enough poison to kill an entire football team in half a second? She kind of reminds me of one of those.
Thanks, guys. Relax.
Congratulations, Byron. What's your ranking now? You must be getting up there.
Control yourself.
Hey, Zane. You're dry. That must feel different.
Look, Lewis, I don't know what happened with that fire hydrant, but if you so much as mention it again, I'll remove your head from your shoulders.
Let it go, Lewis.
She's right. It's not worth it, mate. Will it change him? No.
Byron is such a nice guy. Emma's right. You should go to Miriam's party to show some support for him. I mean, what a hero.
Great, to go.
You think?
Yeah. Whatever blows your hair back. Cleo, I don't get you. 1 minute you're going, and then you're not, and now you're going again.